As you may know, one Google Sheet document may contain multiple pages. We call those pages sheets, and let's learn how we can reference to a cell in a different sheet. So I got the sheet 1 and sheet 2 over here. Let's reference to those names. So let's simply copy them here, but not by using copy and paste, but by referencing. So I simply start by equals. Then I head to this another sheet and click on the cell I'm interested in. As you can see, the formula will show. This is sheet 2 exclamation mark A2. So we're referencing to a cell in another sheet. So you're putting the name of that sheet in front of it. And then exclamation mark and then a regular formula. So we got those names reference from another page, but we can do more than that. We can actually do regular formulas and mathematical operations. So I start like equals, then I select A2 times, head to sheet number 2, B2, enter, and I can do those cross calculations between different sheets, no problem. Alright, so that's how you can reference to another sheet. You can do it simply by clicking on the cell in another sheet or by typing the name of the sheet in front of the cell with exclamation mark in between them here, as you can see at the top formula bar here. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.